We are on the air. Oh, gotta have this right set up. It's a little bit dark. Sorry it took me so long to get this done. But I was cleaning Jade's room, made dinner, had dinner late, was working on a story and published on Amazon, was watching a movie. So yes, I kinda got this uploaded late. Oh no. Bubbles! Bubbles, bubbles everywhere. From Star Wars! Fan me. Not fan you, darling. Not me. Not you, darling. Not me. Yeah, I have my hair in like a little ponytail. Except this piece just doesn't want to cooperate. Okay, fine, I'll take you out. My hair's like, let me out. I had to put it up because I was exercising and didn't want it to get in the way. I love these. These are just the perfect little ponytail type things because I'm not. Now you, darling.